The Sealey CP2400MH is a powerful yet compact 24-volt cordless impact wrench. It produces 441 Nm of torque, enabling it to remove stubborn wheel nuts with ease. The 24-volt 2Ah nickel metal hydride battery doesn't suffer from any memory effect, so a short charge won't cause any problems. And being cordless means there's no need for a compressor or mains power supply, making it ideal for workshops, body and tyre shop applications. It also features a side handle, a vibration reducing grip, forward and reverse controls integrated into the housing, an 80-minute mains charger with charge indicator lights, so you know when the battery's fully charged, and a tough ABS carrying case. Additional batteries are available as accessories. Model number CP2400MH BP. The Sealey CP2400MH 24-volt cordless impact wrench. Tough, powerful and built to last.